Today is a special day. I can officially say that I've been doing these videos every day now for 1 month, and that honestly feels awesome, dude. I'm sticking to a goal, I'm headed in a direction, and I am making progress. And for today's video, since it is a special day, since it is a landmark, I wanted to talk about the thing that I think is the most valuable lesson I've learned so far. And put quite simply, that is seeing myself from an outside perspective. I've learned a lot through that. I think we're all the main character in our own life. We live within our own problems. We live within our strengths and weaknesses. And a lot of times those are hidden to us. Because we're so used to them, we don't even notice them anymore. And that's what this has done for me. I've been able to see myself from a different angle and look at some of the things that I'm so used to in a different way. And because of that, I've realized I have to work on a lot, but I also want to keep a lot the same. And obviously you guys aren't doing videos every day for a whole year, at least I assume you're not. And because of that, you might be wondering, well, how can I get this same effect? How can I see myself from the outside? And quite simply, the easiest way to do that is listen to what other people say about you. Ask them what they think about you. Their advice is not only going to be valuable, but it's also most likely true. A lot of times the people that love and care about us notice things that we don't. They tell us what we should work on, what we should change. But if we're stubborn, if we are egotistical, if we don't want to take criticism well, a lot of times that just gets blown off. But in reality, I think it's one of the most valuable things in life. Listen to what others say about you. Listen to them. They're coming from a good place. They want the best for you. And you should take their advice to heart. What they say you should change about yourself is probably what you should change about yourself. Obviously, this isn't always true, but for the most part it is. And there's a really good quote from Joan Didion that says this perfectly. She's talking about jealousy. And in the quote, she says, "The cure to jealousy is to see it for what it is, a dissatisfaction with the self." And that speaks to the point I'm making. The first cure in overcoming any demon, any problem, is identifying that problem. Without knowing what it is that you have to work on, there's no way that you're going to be able to work on it. And that's what I've learned through these videos. That's what I wanted to share today. It's the most valuable lesson so far. I think that it is important to identify what you have to work on, be honest with yourself, and then go forward and become a better person because of that. That's all I got to say today, guys. Day number 30. I will see you tomorrow for day number 31, the first day of the new month. Let's go, dude.